Hey guys, we are at HomeGoods looking at the new Christmas stuff. So let's see what we have. Lots of nutcrackers, of course. Jingles and Joy. He is $12.99. It's traditional kind of Santa looking guy with what looks like a hot chocolate or coffee in his hand. And then we have this cool one. This is gray with some like holly berries on him. He is 34th and Pine brand. He is also $12.99. And we have this guy over here, another Santa. Looks like he's got a little nutcracker in his hand. This guy is also $12.99, so it looks like a lot of these nutcrackers are $12.99. He's got some glasses on. This one's kind of cool. He's got a big crown. This one's very sparkly. Lots of glitter. Even this one's $12.99 with all the sparkles and glitter. Pretty cool. Little mouth. This guy, $39.99 for that. It's got like a little lever in the back. It opens his mouth. One's a little more expensive at $39.99. Here's another one that's got like sequins on him. And a flag. He looks like a British, is that British? Arctic holiday. This one's really, I like this one a lot. I like the sequins. This one is only $12.99 also. That's not bad. I feel like the $12.99 price point is kind of nice for these nice nutcrackers here. That's kind of cool. Which one do you guys like the best out of all these nutcrackers? Here's one with a fish. I've never seen this guy before. This guy is Jingles and Joy brand. He's got fish. And guess what? No surprise, $12.99. It seems to be the price for the nutcrackers. Cute little snowman. $6.99. Makes it seem like the nutcrackers are a really good price when this little guy alone is $6.99. We have a reindeer for $9.99. Pretty heavy. Heavier than I thought this guy was going to be. Santa boots. Is that like a planter? $19.99. I don't know, is that like a planter? Guess you can put whatever you want in there. This looks like the red aisle. My store seems to kind of do things by color, so this looks like the traditional like red and green aisle here. We have salt and pepper, the Lang salt and pepper shaker set, $7.99. Mr. and Mrs. Claus there. This is the pink section. Got the pink nutcrackers. Do you think we'll have $12.99? Let's see. Yep, $12.99. $12.99 for this beautiful pink nutcrackers here. This is very pretty. Very glittery and sparkly tree and very heavy. That is $24.99. This is cool. This is cute. A block snowman. He is $14.99. Steer $14.99. Oh, this one's fun. Like a bear nutcracker with some balloons. Guys, $12.99. That's different. If you want a nutcracker that's a little bit different, we got a bear here. Some trees, lots of beautiful trees in the pink section. This is the white section. White and silver. Snowman, $6.99. This is $6.99. Okay, so I really love this sequin, iridescent sequin snowman. I'm not going to try to take him out because he's way in the back, although I was thinking about getting him, but I looked at his tag and he is $14.99, which is not a bad price at all. So I really love it, that guy. Iridescent sequin snowman. What else do we have here in the white section? We have, this lights up here, and this is Martha Stewart, little like church, glass church there. See, it lights up. Okay, so that pretty church lights up, and that is $9.99. We have this beautiful tree for $12.99. Looks like that lights up as well. There's a switch on the bottom. We have this snow globe for $16.99. It's kind of fun and so heavy. Merry Christmas. It's like a marble, almost marble base with the glittery, with the sequin Merry Christmas on it. I don't know if it's so heavy. I can't pick it up to see what the price is, but it's very pretty. This is pretty. It's wooden with some sequin silver tree. That is $9.99. Lots of angels on the top. Pretty angels and pretty trees up on top. Oh, here's one of my, here he is on the end. There is my iridescent sequin snowman here on the end. So he's only $14.99, so tempted to get him. I don't know where I put him though. That is so cute. And then what else do we have? This is pretty for $12.99, little ornaments. Oops, something broke. Somebody broke this piece off this tree. Poor tree, came off the top there. Aw, that's sad. The little top of the tree broke. Okay, Disney fans, we have a Stitch. Looks like a Stitch hand-painted, I guess maybe cookie jar? Cookie jar. Stitch holding a gingerbread. Let me see how much he is. Okay, if you could see the bottom here. I believe that says $29.99. I don't want to pick him up. He's heavy, but it looks like $29.99 for Santa hat Stitch there, holding a gingerbread. We have a Grinch. Looks like cookie jar. That one is $12.99. Looks like we have Rudolph and Santa here. Cups, little cups. We have the Santa mugs. We have salt and pepper shakers with Snoopy and Woodstock. This is $12.99. We have Santa's Little Helper mug, red inside. That is Ray Dunn. That is $5.99 only. Ray Dunn mug. Some Ray Dunn mugs over here. Winter Wonderland. Santa's Little Helper. Okay, and then we have some like wood and brown items over in this section. This guy is so cute. He is $12.99. Seems like $12.99 is kind of our price today. That's a $12.99. This little plush here. These trees are $9.99. Here. This little guy is $6.99. This one's got a little bit of sparkle on him here. Star at the top. That is $16.99. Some big items over here. Look at that big ornament. That is $129.99. So if you need some larger items. Some cool stuff over here. Got all the dish towels. Rachel Zoe. $9.99. A little set of dish towels here. Pretty. We have Here Comes Santa Claus dish towels. That is $6.99. Wow, that big Santa. Ornaments. There is a big nutcracker that I bet is more than $12.99.
That's how you gotta do. Sorry.
That's okay. $249.99. Our big nutcracker here is $249.99, but he is gorgeous. Okay. Santa, $19.99. Pink-hatted Santa. Beautiful angel. Beautiful beaded Christmas tree. Lots of beautiful things right in the center of the store here. That $19.99 for that Santa holding the tree. It looks like a wooden Santa holding a tree for $19.99. Beautiful things. Looks like some stocking hangers. This bottle brush tree here, $14.99. Green with some flocked looking snow on it, $14.99. This guy is $19.99 here. Santa. This is pretty. A lot of made in India items here. Little wooden star on the top. It's pretty. Let's see a price on that guy. $14.99 for the steer. Look at that beautiful gingerbread house. Beautiful. That gingerbread house is $99.99, and it looks like it lights up. I don't know if you could see it, but I'm pushing the little button to light it up, so that's cool for $100. Okay, I'm over here like on an end cap. Some pretty beaded things and more made in India. And this tree here is $14.99. This glass green tree. Some ornaments. Ornament section. We have ornaments over here. Whole row of ornaments, an aisle. Ooh, those are really pretty. Those are gorgeous. No. Yep, those are $14.99. These Christian Siriano little disco ball ornaments. Those are $7.99. $7.99 for those blue ornaments with the glitter snowflakes on them. Here's some bigger pink disco ball ornaments. Those are cute. Those are $12.99. I love the ones that look kind of cracked, like crinkly. Those are cute. Two candle holders. Two candle holders. Martha Stewart. Those are $14.99. These are really cool, like real modern looking. These are so heavy. Set of 6 ornaments, Rachel Zoe. Those are $12.99. Those are gorgeous. If you have a very modern looking tree, those would be nice. Lots of gold and silver. These are pretty. Beautiful ornaments. I really want to buy a lot of these and get rid of all my, not get rid of my old ornaments, but try some new ones because these are so pretty. Wow. This guy was on the floor. I picked him up off the floor. He's got a little tree on his head for $12.99. Very sparkly. Felt bad for him on the floor, so we're going to put him over here. Right down there. My HomeGoods has, of course, tons of gorgeous Christmas items. Looks like some tablecloths and stuff down this section. So yeah, lots of beautiful things at HomeGoods for Christmas already. Let me know if you guys have been shopping at your local HomeGoods or Marshalls already for your Christmas decorations, your Christmas decor. Let me know what you guys have found at yours. Thanks for shopping along with me, and I'll see you next time.